bubble up smell good too. Yeah, man, soon take it off so I make it go and boil on some more. What time o'clock I strike now? Just get a few akis off the tree. So I go clean them up and cook them with some curry chicken back. Man, right on the aki tree there. And just take the aki them out of the pod and then clean them up same time. Yeah man, I'm not a lot of aki. Climb my tree but I couldn't really manage to go up on the other. I just never have the energy to go up on the other big tree. So I just got to go on right now. I just me and Jordan out here today. So big up Jordan behind the camera. And if any other youths are going to join in today. But we have to do what we have to do, not true? That is it, man. So just go and stay tuned. Know what is this? A whole pot of pan. Yeah, man. So I'm going to get the aki them clean up now. Simple and easy. Come on, get the aki them well clean up one thing. That is it. So as I say, I just a little bit of aki, you know, big pot me a cook either. Let me know how you normally cook your aki. If you cook it with saltfish, you ever try it with chicken back, curry chicken back, or even fried chicken back. Let me know how you prepare your aki. Comment down below and let me know how you prepare your aki, okay? Yeah. Yeah, man. So the next time you see me, I'll be down by the river. Yeah, man. I go down at the river, chef up the pot quick and fast. Yeah, man. And I do a long thing today, you know? So go and stay tuned. The pot then good. So I go on now. I keep them clean up and one thing. So as I say, riverside settings today. Don't want the little river today, so stay tuned. Don't worry for me, I go now. Yes, so I go on now, viewers and subscribers. This goat here, this ram goat here, name the aki them. See? You start the aki them and dash them, so I go on it. You, a goat here. Him, name me aki them. Put him out down in the same thing them and name them. That thing go on, you see? Alright. What time o'clock I strike, you know? Got a one dry coconut here. Chop it out and see how I go and feed. So I see if the coconut good. So I just see if it's good. I have a coconut already in but just want to really see if that one I can do the mat. Look like it good. Hopefully say good, you know. see what I go and feed you know. Last piece I'll have to come off. That is it. Letting the water fresh. Beautiful. I get the coconut hooks up here now and just wash it off same time. It's one little stream, you know. So, hooks up my coconut. Coconut soft. So I wash them off now. That is it. I start grating up now, so just stay tuned. Get the coconut grated now. You see a coconut get the rice a nice taste. So I forget the coconut in the mixture. Coconut are real coconut and them. Soon finish still go. So this is how I go on now. Got some chicken back here. So I clean up the chicken back. I remember say chicken back come with a whole heap of fat. And them something there. So get the chicken back clean. I clean it and cut it up same time, you know. as soon as the chicken back done clean up, you know me I go season it up and thing and thing. Yeah man, just like that. So got some stickier stuff from the last time I cooked down here, so make things simple and easy. Them me I work with today. So, right, that's what I make up the fire side. Quick and fast, you know. I need like one more stone. Yeah, man. With the next stone right there, so. Small pot I go on fire today. No big pot cooking. Alright, so right away me I go light up the fire, you know. Light it up quick and fast. Got a whole cup right there, so one paper cup. So this one paper cup me I go use. Cup. Alright, see it here, you know. So I use it light fire, you know. So I go and feed. I'll try. Alright, so paper light, you know. I put on some little chip on it. Yeah man, so as soon as the fire done catch up, you know, we are getting our pot on the fire. Yeah man, so just gonna stay tuned. Yeah, the water nice and pretty in the background. That is it. I get on the pot on the fire now. Yeah. So this is how we are used to make the oil. Chicken fat. Chicken back fat. Yeah man, so make the chicken back fat, them go and generate the oil. Normally I could have seasoned up the fat them too, but I'm not seasoning them up. So as soon as it generate the oil I want, I just burn the curry, so stay tuned for that. So here I go on, you know. Chicken fat them. So let them go and fry out a little more. Then we get them out. So, get in some garlic. Yeah, man. You can crush it in there too, see him here. You know, so when I drop in there, I like we have everything cut up. Hey, come up here. So, I burn the curry same time. I burn some of the curry. So that amount of curry good. We look too much still. So the curry burn. The chicken back in the pot. Yeah. So I go on there now. See what time o'clock I strike. Let them go and fry out a little bit. And we add liquid to it, so you go and cook down. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, man. See what time o'clock I strike now. Get natural seasoning them ready to go. So this is a sweet pepper. Yeah. Nice and easy like this. Yeah, man. Get all the sweet pepper them cut up. 2 sweet pepper in all, you know. Got little scallion here. Get the scallion them cut up. For kind of move me and little fast, you know, cause come like the weather about to change per way. So with scallion. Local onion. So you do it when you don't have no cutting board, you know? Got the next piece of sweet pepper here. So I get it in same time. So that is it. Got some Irish potato already peel them. Just I cut them up smaller. That is it. Yeah, man. See what I go on now. Chicken back well fry out. So me I go do now. I chew off the oil. Yeah, man. Chew off some of my oil because I don't want so much oil in your thing. You know what I mean? That is it. So this is how I go on here now. Rain a come down for me, but I try and go on fast. I strain off the coconut. Yeah, man, so this is how you do it. The other ones I want to trash them feet with sugar. Shift that piece side, look. Alright, so this is it. Juicy. And the only thing I do, I did grate an next coconut with it, so that's why the coconut milk looks so rich. I want little coconut, they couldn't do all of this. So I go and pot them on. But the bubble up smell good too. Yeah, man, soon take it off so make it go and boil on some more. So let's go and stay tuned. Yeah, man, even though the Korean I go and do itself a little way, but still they up on fire. Go and bubble and not cause no trouble, you know? So stay tuned. Some more wood for going on fire, you know? Go upstream to get some more wood. Yeah, man, so that's how I cut, so stay tuned. So I'm going to get off the meat pot, you know? So I go on. That is it. Alright, so I go on, you know? I get in with the scallion and 3 peck of garlic. Yeah, man. So I go in with the rice, you know? Hopefully this amount of rice can go in my pot. Jordan come with the wrong pot. You come with the wrong pot, man. Tell you pot them if you bring and you come with this little pot, yeah. Rice don't wash already, you know. You don't have to go send off your pot. If you can't hold in it. Stay there. Yeah, just go for 1 pepper same time. Me for sure, yeah. So I go on, got to ram up with rice. That is it, man.